Hey, how you doing? Pat here. You know the old expression, every journey starts with the very first step. Well, today it's June 30, approximately 8:24 a.m. I'm just outside of Norwalk, Ohio, and here I am taking the first step on my Alaskan journey. The goal, Prudhoe Bay. We'll see if that happens. Who knows? Lots of things could stop me, Mother Nature, me, breakdowns. You never know, but that is my goal. Don't know how many episodes this is going to be, but I've got 45 days off of work to get it done. If you want to see what happens, stick around, stay tuned. If you haven't already, mash that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up and a like. I'd appreciate it. All right, let's get this journey going. Decided to stop for fuel, even though I don't really need it yet, but just cruising on the interstate. 31.3 mpg. That kind of blows. Almost out of Ohio. Well, this is lovely. I stopped to get gas 20 miles before the Indiana-Illinois border, and traffic was smooth, and now as soon as I get out of the rest stop, this. You gotta love it. In case you ever wondered what the world's largest Culver's restaurant looked like, and I know you did, because I didn't either, there it is. I haven't been on one of these forever, and I need to get off the bike. Welcome to historic Menominee, Wisconsin. I'm not sure what's historic about it because I've never been here before, but we're getting ready to crash for the night. Here it is about 8 p.m. Ohio time, 7 p.m. local time here in Wisconsin. I made it to my super wonderful Motel 6. We'll keep the light on for you. I'm whooped, and to day one, that was about 700 miles. About 1.5 more days of interstate, and I get to Canada and the real adventure begins. Alright, morning of day 2. Slept like crap. I'm always jealous of the YouTubers that say, oh, I slept great. I got up at 4 something local time, which is like 5 something my time, but I just never sleep good in a hotel. But anyway, today's just another yuck travel day. Heading to Glendive, Montana, I think it is, so probably won't be a whole lot of video today either. Well, there's the sign. Goodbye, Minnesota. Hello, North Dakota. Alright, start of day 3 here. I'm at the Glenville Lodge in Glenville, Montana. This has been a great little place. It's like 4 in the morning local time, but my body still thinks it's 6 a.m. Ohio time. Right next door is a restaurant that was decent that I stopped at, like CC's Family or something like that. If you're in the area, so far so good. It's been worth the stop. One of the things I tend to forget about when I get out west, because I sure don't do it a whole lot, is a road like this in Ohio is 55 miles per hour. Out here, 70 during the day, 65 at night, and woohoo, I get a train, even though it's not moving. Oh, I think I'm starting to go stir crazy, and it's only day 3. Alright, here comes one of the trestles now. I hope I can get this on video. Love it. Yes, I'm a train nerd, sorry. Okay, I just had to stop and get this on film. I've seen a bunch, and so far, this is by far the coolest of all of them. I'm on 200S going north, even though they call it a west road here in Montana. Just getting ready to come into the town of Circle. This is freaking awesome. Alright, Antelope was standing on the road. Okay, now I understand what the motorcycle advisory sign was. I couldn't read it back there. The road is gone. We are on our first gravel of the trip. Okay. I guess I'll slow down. Okay, if you make it out here, you've got to stop at the Summit Corral. The lady inside the server was beyond awesome, super friendly, full of knowledge of the local area, and even parts of Canada where I'm getting ready to go. 36 Highway 200. If you're in the neighborhood, there's gas, there's food, but nothing else for a while. You need to stop here. This was an amazing stop. I got French toast and coffee. It was $7, and this is, what is today? Today is Sunday, July 2nd, 2023. Okay, that was easy. They give you a code, you just put it in, and here you are. What a cool little place. It even smells good in here. It doesn't smell like a hotel. Got a shower, bathroom. That's all I need. It's pricey, but for one night, it's worth it.